Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I am going to do a challenge for working at the pizza shop for 1 hour for you guys, and I'm going to try to speed time up. I'm just bored. I just have nothing to do. But let's go home and let's just reset and then there. Yeah, reset character. And by the way, I'm on my sister's account because I don't have Robux on that account or anything like. So let's get my energy up and stuff. I'm drinking. By the way, I'm drinking this a smoothie. I think it's a milkshake because like literally. Wait, I haven't paid my bills. Oh, yes, you guys are just blind. I paid my bills when I had a baby. Oh my god, this is crazy. ABC for a baby. Okay, so yes, this is my sister Breasty old Dusty Busty house. And this is where I had my baby at. She keep on crying like, shut up. I'm gonna pause this video until I have all my energies up. So guys, I kind of got bored talking to myself. So, yeah, you guys are just gonna watch me get all my levels up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, done. Now let's turn this off or I won't have any bills to pay. Phew. I don't care. God use the answer. If you guys want to see some more Roblox videos, Bloxburg videos, put a link, so go to subscribe and like my channel. Because then I could buy some Robux on my It's Panda account and do Bloxburg videos. And since there's a baby update, I can do like roleplays and stuff. Okay, let's go. I want to have some milk. Big battle. Feed. Feed. You can't feed it to yourself. If you could, that would actually be the most epic thing I ever seen. Can you guys hear any sound? Oh, there's nothing playing right now. So, wait, hold up. Okay, let's get my food and eat. That did nothing. Let's get some ingredients and make hot dogs. Oh, why did I do that? Excuse me. F. This is so realistic, but I don't like how like your legs are out. F. W. Bam. Okay. Place hot dogs. Take portion. Eat. Okay, my funniest. Let me just turn off all of my light, like. Okay, and then we're gonna start. Let's start. Okay. Work. Go to work. Select. Delivery. Now you babies on the street. I don't think that's good. Like they're homeless. Well, they can't live in my home. Okay, let's start. Let's put this on the road. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, I hope you guys like this video. So, I'm going to pause it until it has been an hour. Guys, I did take some breaks, by the way, so you look at the time. Yes, I have been on here for 18 minutes of working, so yeah. Let's watch Cassidy do her work. Let's put on some music. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I had promotions and I delivered 10 pieces. Hey, 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 look how much money I have. That's how much money I didn't have. Hey, welcome to my house. Let's go. And I had a mom, and then she left me. Then I only wanted her because I needed like her house was kind of close, so that's why I wanted to. Okay. And just use all her things and stuff. So I need to get like money, like yes, I want to build a YouTuber house to do films and stuff. I can't be living in a hobo house that my sister made. Kiss on cheek. Well, I'm going to pause this video for you guys. Mwah. Bye. Guys, I started building a house, so I wasted all my money. So I'm going back to work, but I have $3,000. So I'm going to take a 10-minute break. So yeah, hope you like this video. I will have 20 minutes left after the 10-minute break. Bye. Okay guys, I didn't make it because I keep on getting bored. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button. Maybe we'll do a house tour when it's finished. Bye.